guys. Today I'm going to show you how I filled this empty space under my kitchen counter with this beautiful cabinet. Stay tuned and see how I did it. So I'm going to start making this cabinet with plywood, and I'm going to cut down some plywood to make the carcass or the body of this cabinet. Okay, so what's all this work without a little fun? Some tape ball goes a long way to help lighten the load. Okay, the first one was a miss. Let's see what happens next. He lines up the shot, he shoots again, and it's another miss. Poor guy. Well, let's get back to work after the fun. Now we're gonna line up the pocket holes for attaching each section of the cabinet carcass. This pocket hole jig is a lifesaver, I tell you. It's so easy to set up and make holes. Easy. Now I'm just using a square and some clamps to make sure that my carcass stays square at 90 degrees. Yeah, this works very easily. So I'm using the clamps as a ledger to attach these stretchers. This will give the carcass some rigidity so it ain't wobbling all over the place, you know. Easy. So now it's time to make the face frame. I pre-cut the first two pieces off camera just to get the length. Now it's time to do the middle pieces. So I'm measuring and I'm gonna cut these inch by inch to make sure that they are perfectly fitted in the section. There you go, snug fit. Now to do the other side. And here we have the supervisor just checking to make sure that the work is done to her liking. I'm nervous. Let's see what she has to say. Okay. Yay. She seems so happy. I keep my job. Again, we're using the pocket hole jig to make some pocket holes to attach the stiles and the rails for this face frame. Easy thing to be done with the glue and screws. I'm also trying to use that square again to make sure that my face frame stays square, but the clamps keep popping off, so I just went old school and just used one clamp. Checking for square, checking the diagonals. This one wasn't so square, but just a little wiggle, a little twist, a little push and pull on the long and short edges, and we got it square. Well, not quite. Hold on. Alright, now it's square. Alright, so just some glue and screws here, just putting the face frame together and making sure it's square as well. Putting the inside stiles in. Yeah, always checking for squares on those diagonals, guys. Don't want any cattywampus thing on my kitchen. So now we're gonna use the pocket hole jig again. This thing, I tell you, it's a lifesaver to make the holes so we can safely and securely attach the face frame. Now it's on to the favorite thing, sanding. We gotta make sure that this face frame is smooth because we're gonna paint it, and we gotta make sure that it is smooth. I had used some wood filler to just fill some gaps there that happened when I was attaching the face frame parts. It wasn't perfectly fitted. There were some gaps, I guess, by some twisting, but that's sorted out. Now we're gonna cut the doors for this cabinet. Well, draw faces slash door faces, yeah. So we're just fitting them in the cabinet face frame just to make sure that we have a nice fit, proper spacing. Just using some cardboards here to make sure that the spacing is proper. What's going on, my people? This break in this video is brought to you today by me. Yes, me. This is the best thing that has happened to me to date, I must say. In 2022, I went on a journey and I endeavored to complete something that I have been wanting to complete for years. And now I finally did it. Guys, this is it. I completed my debut novel called A Suspenseful Addiction. Guys, this is a labor of love. This one is right here, close to my heart. I put in a lot of work into this book, a whole lot of work. Nights, days, sleep, what sleep? Yeah, a lot of work went into it, and I finally completed my first published body of work. It's such an amazing book. It follows the life of the protagonist, Tiana Johnson, who her life goes on a tailspin because of sexual addiction, and she almost loses everything, including her life, because of that addiction. And it's just remarkable how trust and belief and strength can take you far. And trust and believe that this book is awesome. It is awesome. So guys, go get yourself a copy. You can find it on the Amazon store. You can get the ebook or the paperback just like this. Or if you want a signed copy by the author, me, just DM me on Instagram at royal_escapes and get yourself a signed copy. Guys, this book is awesome. You will not be able to put it down. So go get yourself a copy, guys. So without further ado, back to the video. Now that we're back from that awesome intermission, we're ready to attach the face frame. Guys, let's just put it this way. That book is absolutely amazing. So guys, go get yourself a copy. The link will be in the description below. Please guys, pick up a copy. You will not regret it. So here I'm using the holes that I previously drilled with the pocket hole jig to attach the face frame. Here's a close-up. Alright guys, so even though I did my best to ensure that the spacing in the cabinet was even, I was not able to, so I had to make one door bigger than the other, and that's fine, more space for storage. So I'm attaching another piece of board to the original door that was cut previously. I'm using glue and pocket holes just to keep it aligned, and this turned out easier than I thought it would have, to be honest. So wiping off all that nice glue squeeze out and leaving it to dry. Oh, just add another clamp. Now it's time to add the partitions. These were previously cut from the plywood from the beginning, and now I'm using pocket holes again to attach it, but first I gotta ensure that the spacing is properly separated.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, now I'm gonna make the drawers. Well, these are basically pull-out shelves. This was my attempt to make the pull-out shelf, but it didn't completely work the way how I wanted it to work. I mismeasured. Yeah, what's that saying? They say measure twice, cut once. Yeah, I measured like 6 times and I still cut the thing wrong. But it's a learning curve and we all go through it sometimes, so you're gonna see where I had to do it all over. So here you can see where the 1/4 inch plywood backer that I cut was clearly smaller than the frame. Yeah, that happened. So I had to pull it apart, resand off all the glue, and painstakingly pull out all the staples. Yeah, that happened. So now that I was finished with that shelf, I just had to repeat it like 6 more times. So now it's time to sand the faces of the pull out shelves thingies, whatever they are to be called. But yeah, I had to sand through the grits from 80 all the way up to 220 just to make sure that these things are smooth. Now I'm just adding some blocking inside the cabinet so I can attach the drawer slides. By the way guys, these drawer slides are the absolute worst. They are literally the worst. I will have to change these definitely. You see later on in another video where I will have to get rid of these. They are the worst, I tell you. So now I'm just gonna use some L brackets. These are 2.5-inch L brackets. This is what I'm gonna use to attach the shelves to the doors. Now I'm just marking here for toe kicks for my leveling feet. These things are ingenious, I tell you. Ingenious. And this is where I'm gonna leave you for this video. You know what I just said, yeah. But guys, in the meantime, while you wait on the part 2, go pick up a copy of A Suspenseful Addiction, guys. The link is in the description. Go pick up a copy and read it. Until next time, guys. See ya.